All right, good evening, everybody. So actually, today we are going to have some experiment to learning using digital template. And this time, actually, we are a little bit passive because I am the only one who always like talking a lot, and then you just decide. Okay, today we're going to challenge ourselves to draw something in only 1 hour. It's not in, I mean, it's not more, it's just only like 1 hour. We have to challenge ourselves to draw something good, and then it's representing the space, and then we're going to only use 90 minutes to finish it. Okay, first of all, you have to work with the A4 paper. If you don't have it, you can just grab it now. You have to prepare it by yourself. Yes, we're going to talk about the space. All right, yeah, prepare your paper first, and don't forget, if you have a marker like mine, like this one, you can use also. And then, but if you don't have any marker, pencil is also, I think, is available for you to work with later on. All right, and then yes, I'm so excited because this is our first time trying to go live through uh, from YouTube and from the digital template like this platform. And then, yeah, we're going to just start it. I want you to prepare your paper and your marker, and we're going to start. Let's get it on, okay? Yeah, before we start, actually, we are talking about the space. Yeah, we cannot create the space in our 2D, two-dimensional space like this. We cannot create the space unless we have to another way to create it. Unless this one is the illusion, we can create the illusion space on our two-dimensional template like this, like paper. Why do we call it two-dimensional? Because it's only like having a length and width. Okay, a length and width, we call it two-dimensional. If length, width, and having the dimension, I mean the value, or yeah, dimension, it can, we can say it three-dimensional. So we're going to create two-dimensional space, dimensional space, and then we're going to start now. Sorry that I'm so nervous. Okay, now we're going to start. Yeah, I'm going to add my camera first, take it first, and then later, guys, maybe you can. Oh my, what's happened? Why? Why this one is not? Sorry, wait. Okay. Oh, I think we cannot use the. Okay, then we're going just to start with the paper now. I'm going to start to draw something. We're going to divide our paper, this one, with three space. Yeah, we're going to make some layer. First layer will be at the bottom like this. The second layer will be in the middle, and the third layer will be on the top. I have. What is that, Glenn? Yeah, we have 4 people now join with me, and then oh, what is this? Hi, Alice. Hi, Glenn. Hi, Sakura. Oh, Sakura is Crystal. Yeah, you may join with us then. Yeah, we have one student from SWA also join. Yeah, but unfortunately, I cannot set up my camera. I don't know what's happened with this. Yeah, it's okay. If you want to go somewhere, you can just go. This is only a public template. Okay, I will just stop then. Okay, the first one, the first layer at the bottom like this. To the house first like that. Okay, don't forget as usual, house has the door on it and the windows. Yeah, we have to work faster, yeah, because we only have 1 hour. And then behind this, maybe we can start to draw the, what to call it, the tree. I'm going to make it a little bit simple. That. Okay then. Yeah, I'm sorry we have to draw it faster because this one is a challenge. I don't want to wasting your what we call it, your, yeah, you have to take a rest after this one, guys. I know that you have a lot of things to do. I'm going to draw the hill at the back, and then I'm going to draw another house on this area. Sorry, my marker is not very good. Okay, then maybe another. And then maybe at the back we can put some building. And then I'm going to draw another hill at this part. And then after that, we're going to draw another house. Then we can draw another tree. All right, from this drawing, you will notice that Mr. Al actually is creating the space, yeah? This one is an illusional space. When I draw something overlap, this one and this one, when this one becoming overlap, it creating the space. It looks like this house is more far from this one. This one is close to you, and this one is a little bit more far, and even this one is a little bit more far from this one. So automatically we are creating the space, an illusional space, not the real space actually. It's because we drawing the overlap things, yeah. And then now you have to decorate the roof. Okay, I draw the roof like a Spider-Man. I mean spider web, like this. And then, okay, I'm done with this one. Just try to make everything, every line thicker so that you guys can see it. I hope you guys can see that, like that. Yeah, we're going to only draw three first, yeah? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to draw another building here. All right, enough. I drew three houses. The first one is close to you guys. This one is close to you, and then the other one we create the space. This one a little bit more far away from this house, and then we create even more far away from this house. Yeah, this one is automatically recreating an illusional space in our two-dimensional paper. Okay, now we're going to go to the next step, which is coloring. All right, now I am working with my watercolor like this, and then we're going to color everything. And don't forget, we are going to use the blending, the what we call it, the gradient, right? And the first layer on this area, I'm going to use green, dark green first. Okay, I'm using a dark green on this area first. I'm sorry if my lesson is so fast because yeah, I don't want, actually I'm just thinking about your your time. I want you to sleep earlier so that tomorrow you will wake up in the fresh condition. I'm just noticed that you tomorrow you will facing an online school, so you have to take a rest later on. Okay, after I'm using dark green, I will continue with light green. Okay, on this area, and I'm going to make another layer on this part. And I will color the second layer with the with the light green like this. Yeah, you can guess after light green what color after this one. Yeah, you draw so quick, Mr. R. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, all right then. After this one, we're going to use uh, yellow. Yeah. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, guys, so that Mr. R will get some compensation from YouTube. Mr. R will be a celebrity later on. Okay, I'm going to use yellow on this part then. And then now I think I'm done with the first layer. The second layer now here, I'm going to use another color, yeah? All right, I'm going to start it with the brown, maybe with a dark brown at the bottom. This area, you have to use dark brown on this area. And after that, light brown, like this color, guys. Okay. Okay, after I use light brown, which is similar with the yellow, then I'm going to use yellow again one more time. You will notice that this painting will look very colorful, yeah? And then, yeah, so this one is not really realistic, but that's not the point. The point is we just explore the color as best as we can, like that. Dark brown, light brown, and yellow. Okay. Next, we're going to move to another. Okay, I'm going to make the tree using a very good color using the purple. Mister, you're so fast. I'm sorry, Divanka. Okay, I'm going to wait then. I will be a little bit slow down. After I'm using purple, then yeah, I'm going to use pink. Like that. And then for the leaves of the tree, I'm going to use what color, yeah? Guys, if you have a limited color, don't stuck with your don't stop thinking, okay? You have to be creative. You can modify it any kind of color you want, and then if you, for example, only have like six edition color, you can just mix and match, or make it as make it as random as you can. I know maybe some of you have only like a limited color, like only 12 color or even 8. And so I'm so lucky because I have so many color template on my watercolor this one. But it doesn't mean that you will stuck with this condition. Find a way how to be creative. Okay. All right. For example, like this, I'm going to use blue for the tree, and then dark blue at the bottom side, like this. Okay. And then for the roof of the house, maybe I'm going to use uh, what? Okay, how about orange? Yeah, I'm going to use orange at the bottom part of this tree. This house, and then I will blend it with yellow. All right, I'm done. And then for the wall of the house, maybe I can use what color? Maybe brown. Okay, the Vanka, I'm still painting the hill. Yeah, yeah. I want you to work faster. This is the window. I put yellow on it. And then for the door, maybe I just put blue. You can use any color you want. You don't have to follow me, okay? If you think that it's better if you use red or purple on the door, you can use your own imagination. Right, for the another houses, I want to put some random color. Maybe I can start it with light blue. Like that. And then I will put the color for the trees, for the leaves with this color. Dark green first. Just use dark green. And then for another trees on the spot, maybe blue. And for this one, maybe I can put orange for the tree behind the houses, in the house, like this. I use crayon. Yes, you can use crayon. You can use any kind of coloring tools. Next, now I'm a little bit confused now, but I will not give up. I am using orange for coloring the building, and I mix it with yellow. And then for this one, I'm using brown. And I mix it with yellow. For the tree, I'm using brown again. And then this brown also on this part. This one is so fast because I'm using watercolor. Watercolor is the easiest one and more fastest materials that we can use to paint. Okay, I just use all brown for the door and yellow for all the windows, like that. Okay, next will be, I'm going to use light blue for the house wall, and maybe purple for the, no, not purple, maybe light blue, I mean dark blue for uh, the roof, like that. And then I think I'm done, almost only like what is, I mean, some of the building at the back, this one, and then one more, and I'm done. Okay, I'm going to check color. Okay, think. Okay, I'm going to use red for the building. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm going to color the background, which is the sky, and I'm going to stop it with black. Okay, I'm going to color the bottom side of the sky with black. Remember that we need to only using 1 hour to finish all of this thing, so that I will not feel bad to use your sleeping time, your bedtime later on. I'm using black for the back side of the sky, yeah. After black, I'm going to use light dark blue. Mister, you are 2 steps ahead. I'm sorry. Come on, Devanka, you can do it. Faster, please. Okay, like that. Now I'm going to use purple. Going to color the purple for the last part of the sky. Wow, this is so colorful. Wait, this one is not done yet. We're going to make it even more cute, more cool after this one. Yeah, this is not done yet. Okay, just like that. Oh, I'm almost done. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, I'm done. So this one is done. Okay, I'm going to wait for you guys to continue coloring your paper later on. I'm going to put it here, then you can. I'm going to reply the chat first. Mr. L, Mr. I mix green and blue to a gradation. Yes, you can just mix, mix the color as best as you can. We've been 26 minutes. Wow, this is the record. We are breaking the record so fast. Yeah, 26 minutes. I can finish this one. This is the basic part of my painting, and I'm going to decorate after this one. But I need to wait for you guys to finish your coloring part first. Devanka, whenever you are done, please let me know, okay? You can mix blue and red, red and purple, or purple with yellow. There is no limitation for you guys to explore all the colors. Yeah. Wait for me, then say. All right, now I'm going to go to the next step, which is decorating my hill, my grass area. This one, I'm going to use dark blue to make some pointillism effect on this part. Okay, going to make something like this. I put so many dots on it, on the dark green area with the dark blue painting, like that. And using dark blue for making the, what we call this one, the only the decoration. Yeah, this can be the rock, or it can be only like element of decoration, this part. For this area, because this one is light, I'm going to use maybe dark purple. Yeah, I think dark purple is a good idea. I'm going to use dark purple on this area. Like that. And then after this, maybe I'm going to use dark brown. Okay, I'll use dark brown on this area to create the decorative element. It's like a dot like that. This one is random. You don't need to arrange it in order. Just arrange it freely, okay? You can use your imagination to put the dot on this part there. Ivanka Morris, wait, okay. Glenn, no. Okay, guys, no worries. This one is only like experimentation. It's the experiment class. Next time we're going to just use Google Meet. If we notice that this one is not really effective for us to learn, we can change it. Don't worry. Okay, for this area, I will use any color. Actually, guys, you don't have to follow me. You can use any color you want. But I just give you some guidelines. Using black, if you want to use dark brown or dark green, it's also okay. I'm using black for this part. I make the random uh, dots on it. After this, I'm going to use dark green. Yeah, I'm using all the colors. Yeah, Devanka, it's time for you to be creative. Yeah, I know that you only have like, how many colors you have? I think it's only like 8 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think you have only 10 colors, right? Or 8, I don't know, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm using dark green on this part. Then after that, I'm going to use what colors? Yeah, now I think I'm stuck. How about, oh, just blue? No, no, no. Or maybe light brown. Oh no, just orange. I will use orange color. Like that. Wow, I'm done, everybody. Oh, no, 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 no. How about the sky? Okay, I'm going to use another color for the sky, yeah? I will just put it here. I will use black. Wow, this one is like Van Gogh painting, I think, using the pointillism style of this. Uh, what? 12 colors. Yes, you have 12 colors. Yeah, you're lucky, Vivanka, you still have 12 colors. And then for the blue one, Maybe I can use, oh, dark green, I mean dark brown. Okay, now it's 35 minutes. It means that we still have like 25 minutes more. But if you can finish earlier, that will be good then, because it's already a little bit late night. I want you guys to take a rest for the for tomorrow, for preparing your next remote learning. Okay, I think I'm done with the background. For the black one, I'm going to use white. Yeah, I'm going to use white for making the dot like this. Okay, I think I'm done. Wow, this is my painting now, everybody. I'm done making the Van Gogh space painting technique like this. All right. For you guys are which is maybe still working with it, don't give up. You're almost there. Hang on and keep on doing your painting. Yeah, I will wait then. I want to know what is your feedback, and if you have some feedback, please write down on the chat below. I mean, on the chat list below, and then yeah, maybe we can share something later on. Right, keep up your good work. Come on, doing it. I'm going to put my camera a little bit down again so that you guys can see my thing. While I need to tidy up everything first, and then after this, don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will get the latest info about what is the next project, painting project that you can create later on. How is it, Ivanka? Are you done? Or Glenn? Not yet. Okay, it's okay, Ivanka. How is it, Devanka? Are you okay? Okay. Glenn. Okay. Not. No. What is the meaning of that? Devanka say not yet. Right after this, don't forget, guys, to wash your hand and get ready to, yeah, to go to your bed, and then see you again next time. And then I'm sorry that we cannot talk because this one is only like one way system. I am the only one can speak. The other one is only like writing something. Yeah, this is it for today. Drawing, I mean painting lesson, which is making the space, illusional space on this area through the painting the houses and the buildings uh, arrangement like this. Okay, so you cannot create space on your two-dimensional paper unless you can create the illusional space like this. This one is close to you, which means that it's automatically like creating the illusional space between this item and then another item behind it. And it can be overlap also. For example, this one, the tree and the house roof is overlapping. Yeah, but automatically your brain will processing that the house is a little bit more closer to you, and then the tree is a little bit more behind the house. It means that there is a space, there is a distance between the house and then the tree like this. Okay, from this item to another item, this one is also creating the distance or the space. This one looks a little bit more far from the first object, and then even the tree is also behind the roof, and even the building is looks like behind the house, tree, and then the building like this. And then it's also applying the same rules on this object. Okay, this one is actually I have doing wrong. This house supposed to be a little bit more smaller because this one is far away from the first object, but it's okay, as we can make it more better later on in the next lesson. All right, I think that's it for today's lesson. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, see you again next time. I hope you guys can don't forget to subscribe and leave some comment on this YouTube channel. And then yeah, see you again next week. If you have any question and if you have some idea or feedback what we are going to learn next week, you just leave your comment later on. Yeah, that's it. I want you to take a rest and see you again next time. Bye bye everybody. Bye. 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 Devanka, are you done? Yeah, you can just what done. Okay, good. You just put any color you want for making the dot, something like this. Yeah, these lessons teach us how to be creative, even if we only having the limited watercolors. Bye, bye everybody. Bye 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 bye. See you again next time.